Friends, the Congress party, the Congress President Srimati Sonia Gandhi, the Congress Vice President Shri Rahul Gandhi, all express deep shock, grief at the unfortunate railway accident in UP today. We are all anguished at the death of precious lives, passengers in this tragedy, at the loss of precious lives, and we extend, and the Congress President, Vice President have extended their deep condolences to the families of those who have perished, and a very, very quick and full recovery to those who are injured. We hope and trust that every possible step is being taken to ensure the maximum relief and rehabilitation. Friends, on behalf of the Congress Party, the Congress President, the Congress Vice President, we express our warm congratulations and our best wishes to the new Prime Minister of this country who is about to take his oath in a short while, and to the Council of Ministers who are being sworn in with him. We wish them well. We wish that they will toil and achieve public interest and national interest, and we would like to say from here that from being a prime ministerial candidate of the BJP, Mr. Modi is today the Prime Minister of the country in a short while after swearing in. And that is the difference which we note, and we expect others to act in that spirit. Lastly, friends, without in any manner detracting from the grandeur and significance of this occasion for the new Prime Minister and his Council of Ministers, we would like to say with all humility that coercive action, whether it is arrests, threats of arrests, or belligerent criticism of young people who play on the social media, who activate the social media, who use the social media, must, if at all it is to be taken extremely cautiously, sparingly, never hastily, and with due regard to all aspects of human rights. Hasty and irresponsible action in this arena would be highly regrettable. We have reports from across the country, at least 3 specific reports from Belgaum, from Mumbai, from Goa, about such coercive action, and we hope and trust that unless and until the facts are absolutely unambiguous and clear-cut, great restraint and compassion will be shown. With that, as I said earlier, we wish the new Prime Minister and his Council of Ministers all the very best in the service of the country. बोल रहा हूँ नहीं, मैं सब कुछ बोल रहा हूँ। हाँ मित्रों, कांग्रेस पार्टी, कांग्रेस अध्यक्ष श्री सोनिया गांधी, कांग्रेस उपाध्यक्ष श्री राहुल गांधी अपनी श्रद्धांजलि अर्पित करते हैं और दुख प्रकट करते हैं वो कई यात्री जिनकी दुर्भाग्यपूर्ण मृत्यु हुई है रेल एक्सीडेंट में जो आज उत्तर प्रदेश में हुआ। हम पार्टी और अध्यक्ष उपाध्यक्ष की ओर से सभी परिवारों को श्रद्धांजलि अर्पित करते हुए, कंडोलेंसेस कन्वे करते हुए ये आशा करते हैं, विश्वास करते हैं कि वो हर चीज़ की जाएगी जिससे राहत मिले, समर्थन मिले इस दुखद समय में। मित्रों, कांग्रेस पार्टी, कांग्रेस अध्यक्ष श्री सोनिया गांधी, कांग्रेस उपाध्यक्ष श्री राहुल गांधी, पूरी कांग्रेस पार्टी की तरफ से हम नए प्रधानमंत्री और उनके मंत्रिमंडल के सदस्य जो कुछ ही घंटों में शपथ लेने वाले हैं को बधाई देते हैं और व्यापक रूप से बेस्ट विशेस देते हैं कि वे देश की सेवा में अथक परिश्रम करें और जनहित और राष्ट्रहित की उपलब्धि करें। आज तक जो बीजेपी के प्रधानमंत्री के दावेदार थे वो आज बीजेपी के नहीं लेकिन देश के प्रधानमंत्री बन रहे हैं और ये एक मूल सैद्धांतिक फर्क है। मित्रों, किसी भी रूप से इस शुभ अवसर पे बिना किसी निंदा किए हुए हम विनम्रता से ये कहना चाहेंगे कि देश में जो वो युवा जिनके विषय में जो सोशल मीडिया का उपयोग करते हैं, जो सोशल मीडिया पे एक्टिव रहते हैं, उनके विषय में कानूनी या फौजदारी या कठोर कड़ा एक्शन लेने से पहले सरकार की हर एजेंसी को बहुत ध्यान से सोच समझ के बहुत ही संतुलन के साथ आगे बढ़ना चाहिए। जल्दबाजी में इंफॉर्मेशन टेक्नोलॉजी एक्ट के अंतर्गत अरेस्ट या इस प्रकार का कोई दुर्भाग्यपूर्ण एक्शन लेना, मैं समझता हूं कि इन युवाओं और इन्होंने जो किया है सोशल मीडिया में उसके साथ संतुलन की बात नहीं होगी। हमने हाल में मुंबई में, गोवा में, बेलगांव में ऐसे कंप्लेंट्स, ऐसा एक्शन देखा है और हम विनम्रता से कहना चाहेंगे कि सरकार को इन सभी क्षेत्रों में बहुत ध्यान से सोच समझ के आगे बढ़ना चाहिए।
Two of these states were mentioned, Maharashtra and Karnataka. Both states Congress government. Have you also talked to the Chief Minister and told him that not to accept?
No. These are matters where the complainants are people belonging to a particular political party, and they have moved. And we are only cautioning that there has to be a very wide arc and zone of non-interference and tolerance for such things, because they impinge on the issue of freedom of speech and expression. Of course, where that line is crossed, it's a different matter, but we are only saying and cautioning that everybody has to hasten slowly. Thank you. I'll have to beg your leave about debriefing today. Thank you.
Jumbo ministries of Narendra Modi. Do you think that this style of functioning?
No, I think these are matters entirely of the prerogative of the Prime Minister or the Prime Minister designate. I would not like to say anything, and especially not today, because today is a special day for those who are being sworn in, and as I've already said, we wish them congratulations and the best wishes. Thank you.